Can you see yourself in the 2022 Nissan Altima? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.